have a big giveaway from Kraemer Yarns for 6 scarf kits. And it's the scarf on the mannequin behind me. I know it's tough to see. I'll give you a close-up here in just a minute. It's a Celtic cable scarf and a Celtic knot. You get the yarn and you get your pattern. And I have 6 of them to give away. And this uses Kraemer Yarns Perfection DK yarn. I have a few colors here, but the fact of the matter is they have over 70 colors available in this yarn. And if you're one of the lucky winners, you will get to pick your own color. Now let's go ahead and cut away to a detail of the scarf so you can see close up. It's so pretty. It's so pretty, and it's a scarf that you can knit as a Christmas gift, perhaps, for either a man or a woman. So I have 6 of these to give away. Next week we have a tutorial on this scarf, and this tutorial I'm going to break it way down. If you can knit and purl, I'm going to show you how to do everything else with the cables. It would be a good first cable project if that's new to you. So to sign up to win one of the kits, just click the little I in the upper right-hand corner to go to my website and fill out the form with your name and your email address. I'll also give a link in the video description field below. And next week we will have the tutorial and we will announce the winner. Good luck.